Yes, sir.
Good evening, everybody. Today's presentation topic is my father.
Yeah.
Uh, I don't think any word or sentence can describe father,
Uh-huh.
but I will try to speak few words for my father.
Very good.
I am happy and super excited to share my feelings about my father
Mm-hmm.
or about my superhero. Yes, he is my superhero. He does everything for me. Sometimes he acts like iron. Sometimes he acts like superhero. जैसे he teaches me Iron Man and he beats me like Thanos.
Good.
He wakes up 4 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
Around 5 o'clock, he goes to morning walk. Then he come back home.
Mm-hmm. He
After
comes
that,
back. He comes back.
he comes back home. After that, he takes a bath and after that, he goes to temple every day.
Uh-huh.
Uh, he doesn't go to office
Mm-hmm.
because he retired last year in
Uh,
private company. He is
okay.
expert in mechanical field. He has retired as senior foreman.
Uh-huh.
He is very punctual and loves to do work.
He loves to do. Very good.
He loves to do work. And if he see any electronic or mechanical machine doesn't work in my house, so he feel like suppose
He feels like.
he feels like he get kicked.
Huh.
He always ready to fix that this type of problems.
Okay.
Even he cooks delicious food too, and his favorite dessert is kheer. My father is my hero.
Uh-huh.
He is good husband and an obedient son to
Okay.
his parents. He is
Mm-hmm.
very loving and caring in nature. He is
Okay.
everything for me. I love you, dad. And last line for all dads, Indian dads, according to me, sir, dad has soft corner for daughter and
Papa ki pari.
hard and hard leather for sons.
Wow. Badhiya yaar, Bhushan sir, amazing. The content was amazing. The way you speak, the way you spoken, that was amazing. And third thing, you committed 2 or 3 mistakes in habit rule, SAES. You need to focus on that. Okay. Very good.